Hello everybody. I thought we'd do a little cook with me, but not really. It's just, I'm just gonna do some homemade shake and bake. So in here, I'm gonna put some breadcrumbs. These are the panko style gluten-free ones. Now, as some of you have figured out by now, I don't measure a lot of things. I eyeball it. Now I know I have Italian seasoning in here. We're going to add that. And I want smoked paprika to give it that little extra flavor. Some salt. Pepper. I think I left my dog outside. I did. Be right back. Alright, now I'm going to add some dill. I just find dill tastes really, really good in this. And I want my sage. Because this is chicken. Or you didn't know it's chicken. It is chicken. So we're going to stir that up. And again, use whatever seasonings you want to use. You don't want to use sage, don't use sage. Don't want to use paprika, don't use it. Okay. So we have that all nicely mixed up. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to set this bowl to the side. Now, I was hoping I had a flour made up, but I don't. But I have coconut flour. So we're going to use that. This will just give, I don't know what kind of flavor this will give, to be honest with you, because I've never done this before. But we're going to do it. And then I'm going to make an egg wash, so give me 1 second. Okay, oh, I thought I had you guys back far enough. Sorry, hold on, let me back it just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I've got my coconut flour, my egg wash, my breadcrumbs, and then the parchment sheets that I'm going to place them on. Spray it with a little bit of oil. So now what we want to do is get the chicken and get it cut open so we can start dunking them. Okay. I'm really hoping this flour isn't going to bite me in the butt. Okay. We're going to find out. Okay. That's all we do. Into the flour first. Into the egg wash. Now most people normally have tongs or something, but I have a sink. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. I'm just going to keep going until all of these are done, so we'll be right back. Okay, and if you're anything like me, then you have to clean up your work area afterwards because you make a really big mess. But they're all good. They're all coated. They do have a like coconut smell to them, which hopefully, I'm hoping that isn't going to be too bad. Because you know some people put flaked coconut in their chicken and that, so, I don't know, I'm hoping. Okay, I space mine out nicely, so that way they have lots of room to heat and cook and get crunchy. So I have my oven preheated to 415, and these are going to cook until they're done, which is roughly like 20 minutes, half hour. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, I just pulled them out of the oven. I hate the lighting in my kitchen. Okay, these spots look burnt. They're not burnt, but anyway. So they're nicely done. And to go with our chicken here, I'm not going to move too quick. We've got some mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm sorry. Mashed potatoes, some chicken gravy, and peas. Dinner, but there we go. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to make shake and bake chicken. Hopefully this tastes good, but we'll let you know. Okay, so if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye.